Hello everyone, I'm Eric from Etiquette, and today we're going to look at the new Zoom update with all the features they've included, as well as the filters that you can find in backgrounds. Let's take a look at it. So first, you need to open up your Zoom, and then you click here and you check for updates. You need to run the update to be able to use the new filters. Okay, everyone, let's quickly look at the new functions that you have in Zoom. So you can go here to the settings, video, you can touch up your appearance to look better. You can adjust for low light. If you've got bad lighting, it makes it a bit brighter. I think what you should do, if you don't have a light source from the front, you should definitely switch this on, and you can make it manual where you put it much brighter or lower. But for me, I'll just go with auto. You can touch up your appearance to look prettier. There are some other things you can do too, but those are the main ones. In audio, a great thing is that you can suppress background noise. So for example, if someone's mowing the lawn, you can just go here and say hi, and that's going to suppress a high amount of background noise. But I think just go with auto. Then share screen, everything is still there. Chat, you've got a theme for dark and light. Not much has changed here, just some key things. But here is the thing I really want to talk about. These are the new video filters, which are amazing, especially for me because I'm an English teacher. When I teach online, I use Zoom. I can use these to play some games with my students. So originally we had the normal backgrounds where you can make your own background, and that's great for a teacher because you put some things in the background that they can use. But these filters are amazing. Just look at this. A bit of low light, black and white. I think this is maybe a gray. You can brighten it up with a touch of cinnamon, cream, seafoam, bluer, sepia. I hope I said that right, gum. And you can also add some new things to it to make it more exciting. There we go, a zoom function, a scrapbook, analog TV. I actually really like this one. It's got a nice calming atmosphere. This is fun if you're teaching younger students. Let me just adjust my video. There we go. And then you get some more you can use. These are great for your students. Just look at that. And I think, as a teacher, we can also use these to play some games with our students. For example, if you're wearing a mask, you can send a private message to one student and say, elephant. And they have to say elephant, and everybody has to guess who said elephant because you can't really see their mouths moving. You've got some fun ones. You can even play a pirate game where before, let's say the theme for the class is pirates, everybody has to say "arr" before speaking. Yeah, you can really have a lot of fun. Oh man, I need a fedora in my life. Look at that. Yeah, these are a lot of fun, and I think you can use these to make your Zoom meetings a bit more fun. We can expect to see more things in the future, but right now I think this is a great... What are those? Oh, butterfly. I think this is a great addition to Zoom. There are a few things I'm still waiting for, but right now I hope you enjoy these filters, and you can watch some more videos on Zoom over there. I'm Eric from Etiquette, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.